Hello doctor. Introducing VoiceRx, an intelligent voice-driven documentation system built inside Tattva Practice. Designed for doctors, VoiceRx transforms the way prescriptions and clinical notes are created. No more typing, no more writing. Just speak naturally, and VoiceRx converts your words into structured and accurate medical documentation. VoiceRx on Tattva Practice is designed to be accessible from wherever the doctor is working. There are multiple convenient entry points to start a VoiceRx consultation. First, VoiceRx can also be launched from the appointment landing page, allowing the doctor to start documenting as soon as the patient arrives. Second way was to open the patient details page and begin a consultation via VoiceRx from there. Doctors can also add a new patient and immediately start a VoiceRx consultation right after the registration process, ensuring nothing slows down the workflow. And finally, using the Global Start walk-in consultation bar, doctor can search the patient and can quickly locate any patient and start VoiceRx instantly. VoiceRx is always just one click away, no matter where you are in the system. It opens into a clean, dedicated workspace for fast and effortless voice-based documentation. At the center of the screen, you'll find the Start Consultation button. As soon as you click on it, you'll be presented with two options for how you want to proceed. The first option is dictation mode, where the doctor simply speaks case details and VoiceRx instantly converts the narration into structured notes. It's perfect for clinicians who prefer full control by speaking each part of the clinical note. The second option is language mode, also known as the ambient conversation mode. In this mode, with the patient's consent, VoiceRx listens to the natural conversation between the doctor and the patient. There is no need for dictation, typing, or interruptions. The doctor can focus solely on the consultation while VoiceRx automatically extracts medical details, organizes them into structured sections, and generates a complete prescription at the end. Both modes are designed to give doctors flexibility and control. Whether you prefer dictating directly or allowing VoiceRx to understand the full conversation, the system ensures fast, accurate, and effortless documentation. Once dictated or consultation conversation is completed, press the Submit button to finalize the consultation. Ambient Rx allows the doctor to conduct a natural, uninterrupted conversation with the patient, and with the patient's consent, the entire consultation is recorded and automatically converted into a complete prescription. It removes the need for typing or writing, breaks language barriers by supporting all major Indian languages along with English, and instantly translates the full conversation into English. Pause once on the left side of the screen, doctors can view the translated transcript, and on the right side, they see the auto-generated prescription ready for review. Doctor can review the AI-generated Rx and can also edit it in case if there are any changes needed to be done. Once done, doctors can click on End Visit button to submit the prescription. Review the print preview of the prescription and doctors can download, print and edit the prescription. They can also share it to patients in WhatsApp. With VoiceRx, documentation becomes faster, simpler, and truly effortless, letting doctors focus entirely on their patients. We are deeply grateful for the care, compassion, and strength you bring to every life you touch. And as you continue healing the world, we stand beside you, building technology that supports you at every step of your journey.